another video. And me and Keegan, he's over there. Go see if it was the mom whistling. This is really weird whistling noise, and we need to find out what it is. Okay? Yeah, me and Keegan's brother has weapons right here. You see this broom? See that broom? That broom. And I got a ruler, so I'm gonna spank this man like. What was that?
Keeg!
Come on, whistle!
Do it again! Do it again!
Shush! Shush! Woo! Come on, whistle!
Whistle!
Dude, where'd it go?
I don't care. I don't care.
Is it her?
No, she's not there. We're not whistling. Where is this?
So if you guys heard that, please tell me this is not fake. No way.
Where did it come from? I don't know. Where'd the whistle come from? I'm not scared. Oh, where'd
yo,
the whistle come from? Go on, just fucking break it. No,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
This rock just flew at me.
Whistle again! Whistle again! Yo,
You guys are thinking this is not fake. I'm telling you guys, this is mad scary. Okay, guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I'll make another video about when like we found out what it was. I'm guessing myself. It's probably the pipes. So.